Let's take a look at this spreadsheet. So we have here the name of student, age, and address in one column. Then you'll need to separate the name of the student with the age and address. So what we're going to do is to select this, and then let's go to text to columns, delimited, and then click next. We're going to select comma here because as you can see, comma is the delimiter that separates the words. So it will look something like this in the preview. Then click on next. Then we're going to select the destination. So just click here. And then let's select this area. Then go back up here, click, and then hit finish. So there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? Click OK. Now we have separate columns for name of student, age, and address. So what you need to do again is just to highlight, then go to text to columns. If you have a sheet like this with the employee's name listed here, and you need to input the department where each employee belongs. So in school, say for example, the department depends on the learning areas. So to do this, instead of just typing, we can select the area and then go to data, then click on data validation, allow, let's choose list. Then under source, we will type the different learning areas. So science, math, comma, then English, then Filipino. What else? ESP, we have Araling Panlipunan, MAPE, then TLE. Then click OK. So when we go to the first employee, just click on the arrow down and say math, and then next Filipino, then ARPAN, say TLE, then next would be MAPE, then what else? Say science, and so on. We have two tables here, and we're going to do summation. So the usual thing that we do when we sum up is to type equal, then the word sum, then parentheses, then we highlight and drag, then enter. So there's a faster way to do summation here. So let's just highlight this, press down the Ctrl key and highlight the other table, then press Alt equals. So now we have the totals. In this sheet, say that you have the first name, middle name, and last name, and you want to combine or join them together to create the full name. So what we can do is to type equal sign, then the word concatenate. It says here join several text strings into one text string. Then the parentheses, then hit on the first name, comma, then the quote, space, quote again, then comma, then hit the middle name, comma again, then quote, space, quote, then comma, click on the last name, then parentheses, hit enter. Now we can double click here. So there you go, the full names. So this is an easy way to link together text strings. Another tip, if you have data entry like this and you want to convert this to a table, then hit the Ctrl A, then Ctrl T, then click on My Table Has Headers, then OK. And we're going to just adjust this, the column width. Now we have created a table. Now for this, the last row, we can highlight that and hide it, Control 9. Then we can also go to section, the filter, and if we want to sort it from A to Z in alphabetical order, so it will become like this. Or if you want also according to its mean scores, so sort from the smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. So we want largest to smallest. So it will become like this. If you happen to have made a table like this and you need to move certain columns, say for example, these two columns, the high score and the low score, we'll have to move these before the MS. So to do this, we'll highlight the two columns, then look for the splitter, this one here, then hold, then press down the shift key, then move it here before the MS, then let go. Normally, when we type numbers in sheets, say 1, then 2, we highlight, then drag this down. But there's an easier way to do this. Instead, let's delete this. You can do this especially when you're dealing with large numbers. So hit equals, then the word sequence, parentheses, then type up to how many numbers you want to be in your spreadsheet, or the maximum number, say 100, then parentheses, enter. Now you have number 1 up to, let's see, now you have 100. So instead of typing the old way, we can make use of the sequence, then the number of rows you want to be in your sheet.